Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So I finally got everything switched around into the bigger room to where I have more space. So I finally got my backdrop up and my makeup is all organized. It probably won't stay that way for very long, but it is all organized for the time being. So today's video is the unboxing for the January Boxycharm. This is for the base box. So the base box is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products in it. And I believe it is supposed to have a value of $150, I believe. 150. I will at the end of the video add it all up so we can see what the full value of the box is. All right, so it comes packaged like this, and then you have, as always, you've got your card that on the front, it tells you the theme for the month, which is breaking the ice. And then on the back, it's got a list of all of the products along with the prices and your variation number. So my variation was variation 11. Focus. Not going to focus. Okay, so I will just go down the list starting at the very top. So the very first thing is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. I did receive this in, I think it was either my November or December's box as a sample size to kind of help match your color. So I did use it and I did really like it. So I was hoping that I would get this in my box. This retails for $25, so which is not terribly bad actually for a concealer. So, and that is the shade, so it does match me fairly easily. I do like my concealers to be a little lighter than my foundation, so it'll brighten up my under eyes a bit. So $25, that is item number 1. The next thing is, this was my choice item. You do have the option now with Boxycharm to customize one of your products that you receive in your box. This month it was a choice between 2 eyeshadow palettes and the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. I have a ton of palettes. I have a lot. So I did go ahead and choose the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. And this retails for $55, which Dr. Brandt is an expensive brand, but they do work very well. This is a 0.5 fluid ounce tube, so, but it is an eye cream. So remember, with eye creams, you don't use very much because it is just your eyes, so they do tend to last quite a long time. So I will so that is what that looks like. It does look like it is a thicker cream, which I do actually prefer thicker creams. But it's not super thick that you can't wear it during the day. And actually that feels really good. Oh wow, that feels really, really good. I really like that. Okay, and it doesn't have, it's got a basic eye cream smell to it. So again, $55. So I am definitely excited to get that, and I will definitely be giving that a try. The next thing is, of course, a Wonder Beauty product, because it would not be a subscription box unless I got a Wonder Beauty product in one of my boxes this month. So, because Wonder Beauty just makes their way through the subscription boxes. So, this is the Wonder Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is cute little pink packaging. It does have a mirror right there. And then these are the shades. Okay, now I'm going to tell you, this looks pink. This looks pink, guys. Oh my, oh yes. That is pink. Oh my goodness, okay. So, that is what that looks like. That is very pink, guys. I'm not sure if I can pull that off as a blush, because I don't do, that is the bronzer shade, which is actually a good shade for me, and it's not a shimmery bronzer, which is good because I really don't like the shimmery bronzers. But that pink for that blush, I just don't know. That's very, very pink. But I will give it a try, and I might be able to mix it with another color to tone that pink down just a little bit so it's not quite so Barbie doll pink. It would actually probably also make a really pretty eyeshadow as well. All right, so this retails for $36. I don't think I would pay $36 for this. I don't think I would. Okay, so I will definitely have to give it a try and let you know for sure what I think of it. But right off the bat, I'm gonna say I do not think I would spend $36 on that. I just don't see myself doing that. Okay, so the next thing that we have is from Glow Recipe, and it is in this cute little jar here. And this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So now this you can use as a sleeping mask and put it on before you go to bed and wash it off in the morning. Or you can use a thicker amount of it and use it as a wash-off mask. So I like that you can use it both ways. It smells amazing. It smells absolutely amazing. And if you like that watermelon smell, you're going to love this. But it is not a super thick cream. So a lot of night creams, ooh, oh my gosh, and that, okay, it still smells amazing. And that is super soft. That is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay. As I was saying, though, a lot of night creams, they tend to be really, really thick. This does not seem to be really thick like that. So this retails for $22. So that is actually not bad. I think I would pay $22 for that. I think I would. Okay, the very last thing that we have, I do believe I have received this in a box before. This is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. So I've heard that castor oil can help make your eyelashes grow thicker. So, but I don't think I've used a mascara that's got castor oil in it. And if I have, I didn't know. So, but I want to say that I've gotten this before, but I'm not entirely sure. So this is what the wand looks like. So it is a thicker, fatter wand. So I do really like that style. And this is $25. So again, not super expensive for a mascara. A lot of really good, decent mascaras run around $25. So that is not a outrageous price point for that. I don't feel. So for a recap, we have the Pretty Vulgar, what is this? The Pretty Vulgar Concealer, which retails for $25. And then we have the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, which retails for $55. Then we have the Wonder Beauty Blush and Bronzer Duo, which retails for $36. Again, I really don't think I would pay that for this. I really don't. And then we have the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask, which is $22. And then we have the Grande Cosmetics Mascara for $25. So altogether we have a value of $163. So not bad for a $25 box. That is not bad at all whatsoever. So I am definitely very excited to give these products a try and see what I think of them. And I will definitely do a review video of this box and show me using the products in this box on my review videos. I'm going to start doing my review videos a little bit different, where I'm actually going to show me using the products and giving you my full review on what I think of them and if I think they are worth the price of the product. So that is everything that I have for you. We do have our 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so be sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and I will put all of the information that you need for that in the description box below. And thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.